do one thing for me?
Yeah.
One sentence.
Yeah.
And I would never ask anything like this again.
Yeah.
Can you just say you know nothing, Jon Snow?
Jon who?
Jon Snow.
You know nothing, Jon Snow. Who's Jon Snow?
Oh my god.
Should I know who he is?
Yes, you should.
Who is he?
Shame on you.
Who's Jon Snow?
Jon Snow.
I've never heard of Jon Snow.
I guess you've never watched Game of Thrones.
No.
No.
Unfortunately, no. But I probably should.
They're all northern like you in that show.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they all have that amazing accent.
Yeah, so to me, I just think, oh, it's normal. Whereas I like listening to Southerners because I think it's different. You all sound posh. Yeah. Can I have some duck? Like, you just sound
Stop
so
it.
posh. It's just duck. It's just, like, you're just so posh when you say words. I'm going to go cut the grass.
Grass. Would you like me to run you a
A
bath?
bath. It's just a bath of grass.